Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, the Pseudo. So today we are here with the new series of Java. So earlier we have many more series where we have taught about the basics of C language, and also we have the series of Python. C series, if anyone wants, further we will continue with the other C++ and object-oriented part, and about the Python we will soon update you. So let's understand what is Java. Firstly, to inform you that Java is not an acronym. That means इसका कोई full form नहीं है. Okay. Whereas, let's discuss about the definition. Java is an object-oriented programming language, and it provides an environment through which we can create the classes and the objects. So to provide this environment, Java uses the concepts of JVM, JRE, and JDK. We will discuss in detail about them in the further videos. And next we are going to discuss about what is the syntax of Java. So this is the basic syntax of Java, where first we write the package statement. So package statement, see, as per the use case we have, suppose we have to take the user wants to take the input, so we can use other package statements for that, and for GUI there are other statements. So let's talk about this. So class, we have the class name. So by using the class name, by runtime we use it, and it is saved using the extension .java. And next we have public. Public is the access specifier. So there are many more access specifiers like protected, private, default. We will learn in detail about them. So next is static. It's the keyword which is used for memory management. Next we have void. Void is a return type. Next we have main, and then we have string array of args arguments, and that means that it is used to take the input from the keyboard, or you can say any command prompt. Next we have variable declaration and statements. Likewise in C we had the printf. Here we have statements. Okay. Next let's discuss about the features. So these are some of the features which I think are important. The one is simple, next is portable, platform independent, secure, and multi-threaded. We'll also discuss why C is not multi-threaded and Java is multi-threaded, and why it is more secure, and the difference between the portable and independent. Next, we are going to talk about what is package. So package is a collection of classes, package interfaces. This can have the inbuilt methods also. So this was all about this video. Further, we will discuss about the programming code, and likewise we will discuss about some basics regarding that. So this is Pseudo. You can follow us on Instagram, mail us your queries. Also, you can subscribe us on YouTube, and don't forget to hit that like button, and you can also join our Telegram too. So this was all about this video, guys. Stay tuned.